Now, OPPO has unveiled a new foldable phone called the Find N3 Flip, and here it is. So this is not going to be a full review, but a first impressions, so let's get into it. Now, the first and foremost is obviously the design. Now, I think that foldable phones have come to a certain type of peak when it comes to the technology that goes into the hinge, because does the name of a hinge mean anything to you? Because to me, it's just fancier words with every generation of this kind of phones. Look, the phone flips just fine. It does not have that grinding feeling, and it's nice that towards the end of the unfolding experience, it snaps open, which actually feels really good. Now, it does take a bit of fiddling to get it open with just one hand, especially if you have small hands, but honestly, it's not that bad once you kind of get used to it. Now, let's move on to the other parts. So new hinge, right? That's great and all. But at the end of the day, I would like to use my phone with one hand. So if I can get the phone open with one hand, that's great. And the reason why I distance myself from flip phones is because a lot of them require you to use two hands. The Find N3, fantastic, can use it with one hand. And for those of you that are getting into flip phones, if you are going to be okay with the nuances of what a flip phone is, then I think that this feels pretty good. Now, sure, you can argue that the cover screen will get the job done. And no doubt that the cover screen does look good on the Find N3 Flip, but the number of apps are limited. You can get some Google apps working on it, but once again, there are limitations. But the cover screen has also allowed OPPO to place larger camera sensors at the front of the phone. And I definitely recommend that you use those sensors for you to take photos and selfies. And if you want to know how it looks like, stay tuned because in this video, we'll show you some examples. And just with all flip phones, it goes for this elegant and stylish look with curved glass at the front and back with metals at the side. I do like that on the hinge part, you get this wavy line thing that runs across. Also, I guess this feature was picked up from OnePlus where there is a slider to quickly put the phone into vibrate or silent mode. I always love it and wish that more phone makers would add this as well. Oh, and I think I realized that I didn't talk much about the screen, right? Well, anyway, it is a 6.8-inch screen and I personally always like OPPO colors. They are punchy and being an AMOLED screen, it gives you great blacks. Viewing angles are also good if you're wondering. And yes, there is a crease on the phone, but at this point, I think when it comes to flip phones, we just kind of have to start accepting it. Is it a problem that needs fixing? Not really, because once you start consuming content on it, you won't even realize that it's there. It's pretty similar to the punch hole display issue that happened quite a while back. Everyone didn't like it, but at the end of the day, everyone got used to it. Okay, and of course, speaking about the large camera sensors, what you're getting is a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel telephoto lens. To be honest, we didn't have much time with the phone, so I won't give an opinion on the picture quality. So here are a bunch of photos and videos we have taken for you to judge. When it comes to the battery life, it has lasted me an entire day. And honestly, that's all I can ask for, especially when it comes to foldable phones. I've been taking pictures, watching videos, and I still have enough to last me throughout the night before going to bed. So honestly, that's a thumbs up from me. So guys, there you have it. That was our first impressions of the OPPO Find N3 Flip. Now, once again, we just got the phone, so we thought we wanted to take out our first impressions video just before the launch of the phone, which, by the way, it actually already has launched by the time you're watching this video. So if you want a full review, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to do all that other things, that these social media things and all that, and I will see you in the next video.